Hello everyone, to me. Welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is this Playsuit. So we're going to draw our pattern on this paper. You can use your wrapping paper, you can use a pattern paper. I'm just doing a starting line, and I'm going to mark 3 inches, and that's going to be where our crotch area would be. I'm just drawing a straight line. Half of your shoulder measurement at the top, neck width, which is 4 inches, and neck depth is 4 inches as well. You can make it 5 inches, depends how low you want the neck area to be. I'm just forming the neck area. For your shoulder area, if you mark half of your shoulder measurement, take away about 1 inch, so the strap will not be like right at the edge of your shoulder. Okay, I'm just going down by 1 inch from the shoulder area to mark the shoulder slope, and then half of your armhole measurement, and that's what I've done there. Mark quarter of your bust measurement and just extend that line from your armhole area. Okay, from your shoulder to the waist, from my daughter's shoulder to her waist is 15.5, shoulder to hip is 23.5, and then the length of your play suit as well as the hemming allowance. But for me, if I was to mark, my shoulder to my waist is 16 inches, and then my shoulder to my hip is 24 inches. But to get the accurate measurement, you can measure yourself, but average is 16 for adults, 16 and then 24. And I'm just marking the length where I want the length of my playsuit, well, my daughter's playsuit to be, and then the hemming allowance, which is 1.5 inches. Okay, so that's the waist, that's the hip, the length, hemming allowance, and the bust area. Okay, I've marked the bust area. I'm just going to add extra 3 inches for ease and sewing allowance. And quarter of your waist measurement plus 3 inches again. Extend that line and join it to your bust area, like so, and then quarter of your hip plus 3 inches, and then join it to the waist. And then connect that, and then whatever measurement you have on your hip, transfer it to the length of your play suit. I've added about half an inch, but that's completely not necessary. I was just being extra. And then join the sides. Okay, and there you have it. And then we move on to the crotch area, 4 inches from your hip downwards, and then extend that by 3 inches. You could do 2.5, 3 inches, 3.5, 4 inches, depends how big you are. I've extended a 3-inch marking, and I'm just going to use a curve ruler to connect that. And then at the bottom, we're going to mark 3 inches and then form a curve like so, and that's the pattern done. So easy, so straightforward. I hope you find it. Oh, and I forgot to do my armhole area, so I just completed that. You just find the midpoint of the armhole area and just do a curve. I'm just cutting out my pattern, and we're going to place it on our fabric. Make sure you fold your fabric in half. You have to cut your fabric for unfold, and you cut out the front first before you cut out the back. So that's the front we're cutting out, and then when you're cutting out the back, you're going to leave some space after the fold before placing your pattern, which I'm going to show you in a minute. I'm just measuring where the pockets will go, 2 inches from your waist down, and then to do a notch, and then 7 inch, mark 7 inches from there, and that's where you place your pocket. If you're not new to my channel, then you would have seen us make pockets in other videos. So I'm just extending the back crotch area. I didn't quite do this properly. If you're not new here, you know that I'm I'm just an amateur. I just enjoy sewing. I'm no professional. So yeah, I've added 1/2 inch just to, add my zipper. So I've joined my back fabric. I'm going to leave about 11 inches from the top. Can you see? And that's where the zipper will go. I've attached the zipper as well. So leave about 11 inches from the top, and then attach your zipper there and join everything together. That's the zipper done. The back fabric is different from the front fabric. I was trying to do a thing, but I don't know if it looks good. I've attached the pockets, you can see. So that's how you attach the pockets, on one on each side, right side facing each other. I've hemmed the armhole area, the neckline, everything. I've used a bias tape to do that. I didn't want to bore you with this video. I'm just trying. I think the pattern is like the most important, and cutting out the pattern. But if you want me to make a more if it's not detailed enough and you want a really detailed video, do let me know. But I'm just trying not to bore you. I'm just joining the fabric now. So round the pockets like this, and then so, and there you have it. Now we're going to cut out the straps. It's 18 by 5 inches, 4 straps, and we're just going to sew. Leave the bottom open. So there's 4 of these, and that's where the strap. So we're basically going to tuck in the raw edges of that strap. Remember the opening? Tuck in the raw edge, and then tuck in the Playsuit inside the strap. Not the whole Playsuit, the shoulder area of the Playsuit inside the strap, and we're going to top stitch it, and there you have it. Really, that's it. Join the crotch, hem the bottom, and you have your Playsuit. I hope you've enjoyed watching this, and I hope you've learned something today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Ta-ra! I need to make one for myself. If you're making this, let me know if you're going to try it out. See you in the next one. Ta-ra!